Welcome to Tech Explorer, where we explore the latest and most exciting smartphone releases. Today, we are diving deep into the highly anticipated OnePlus 13T. This device packs a punch with a stunning 6.31-inch LTPO OLED display, a powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, an exceptional dual-camera setup, and a massive 6,000 mAh battery. Let's see if the OnePlus 13T has what it takes to hold its ground against the competition. The OnePlus 13T is equipped with a 6.31-inch LTPO OLED display, offering vibrant visuals and stunning color reproduction. With HDR10+ support, this display brings deep blacks and bright, punchy colors, making it ideal for everything from streaming HDR content to gaming. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth animations and scrolling, whether you're browsing the web, playing games, or just watching videos. Additionally, the 1.5K resolution ensures that every detail looks sharp and crisp, making this display perfect for enjoying high-definition media. With adaptive refresh rates, the display intelligently adjusts the refresh rate to optimize battery life, offering you a seamless viewing experience without draining the battery. Under the hood, the OnePlus 13T is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, one of the most powerful chipsets available in smartphones today. This chipset is designed to offer top-tier performance with improved energy efficiency, making the device capable of handling anything from intensive multitasking to graphic-heavy gaming. With advanced AI capabilities, the Snapdragon 8 Elite enhances camera processing, real-time gaming performance, and battery efficiency, giving you an overall lag-free experience. Whether you're streaming your favorite content, running demanding applications, or editing videos, the Snapdragon 8 Elite ensures that your OnePlus 13T operates at peak efficiency. The OnePlus 13T features a dual-camera setup designed to capture stunning photos in any lighting condition. The 50MP main sensor is equipped with advanced AI technology for enhanced color accuracy and detail retention, allowing you to capture beautifully sharp and vibrant photos. Whether it's a landscape shot, a close-up, or a low-light photo, the 50MP main sensor ensures that your photos are always of the highest quality. On top of that, the 50MP telephoto lens offers 2x optical zoom, allowing you to capture sharp and clear images from a distance without losing any details. Whether you're capturing portraits, nature shots, or wildlife, the telephoto lens provides flexibility and precision. The AI-powered camera features also help to optimize your photos by adjusting exposure, focus, and color balance, so you don't have to worry about manual settings. One of the standout features of the OnePlus 13T is its 6,000 mAh battery. This massive battery ensures that you can go all day long without worrying about running out of juice, even with heavy use. Whether you're watching videos, gaming, or browsing the internet, the 6,000 mAh battery will provide you with the power you need to get through your day. But that's not all. The OnePlus 13T also supports wireless charging, making it easier than ever to charge your device without the need for cables. Whether you're at home or in the office, you can just place your device on a wireless charger and let it power up quickly. The fast charging technology also means you can get several hours of use in just a few minutes of charging, making it perfect for those on the go. With 5G connectivity, the OnePlus 13T ensures that you are always connected to the fastest and most reliable network possible. Whether you're streaming high-definition videos, downloading large files, or playing online games, 5G enables lightning-fast download and upload speeds. This means no more buffering, lagging, or interruptions when you're enjoying your favorite activities. 5G support ensures that your OnePlus 13T is future-proof and ready for the next generation of mobile networks. Running on Oxygen OS 15, based on Android 15, the OnePlus 13T offers an incredibly smooth and intuitive user experience. Oxygen OS 15 introduces a range of customization options, new features, and improvements to help you get the most out of your device. Whether it's gesture navigation, multitasking, or battery optimization, Oxygen OS ensures that your experience is personalized and efficient. The user interface is designed to be fast and fluid, with minimal bloatware and a clean, polished aesthetic. Google's Material You design ensures that your device is not only functional, but also visually stunning, allowing you to tailor the look of the system to match your style. The OnePlus 13T is an impressive device that packs a lot of features into a compact and affordable package. With a stunning display, flagship-level performance, a great camera system, and a massive battery, this phone is perfect for anyone looking for a premium experience without the premium price tag. Whether you're a casual user, a content creator, or a mobile gamer, the OnePlus 13T provides everything you need for an incredible mobile experience. If you're in the market for a fast, reliable, and feature-packed smartphone, the OnePlus 13T should definitely be at the top of your list. Let us know what you think about the OnePlus 13T in the comments below, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tech updates from Tech Explorer. See you in the next video.